Hello friends, welcome to the Laptex. My name is Nasser and today we have a very good case study of HP. This is the HP R62 HP 15 model, and very common case study I am trying to discuss with you guys. The light blinking on the DC jack. However, we have find lots various kind of light blinking. Like I have the 2 HP model. This is also light blinking problem, and this is the HP 15, and this also has the light blinking problem, but the scenario is very different. So let's find out what is the problem. So let me inject the DC jack into the motherboard. Now you will see, let me turn off. You will see it will keep on blinking. So this is the different case study, and this is the different case study. All types of blinking problem are never same. Okay, so this is also a blinking problem. Now you will notice the pattern you have to follow. See, this is a kind of blinking. In this particular model, the RTC is short. However, you can see that the DC jack light is available, and also turning on and off, and on off is continuous. It is available on the on off switch. Okay, so this types of problem caused by RTC failure. So let me turn on. So let me check RTC VCC. Everything is all right. 3.3 is available, and that is why I'm giving you my experience, that what happens when you get various types of on-off DC jack on-off problem. See, 5 volt is available, 3.3 is also available. Everything is all right, but RTC VCC is not available. Okay, and if you try to find out RTC VCC, RTC reset and SRTC reset, this is also missing. You know why? Because there is no RTC VCC, that is why. So let's find out what is the condition of your RTC VCC. It is merely 2.75 ohm. So that is why the DC jack light on and off. I'm giving you this clue of the DC jack light blinking in the HP, because the various types of reason causes this on off, the DC jack light is keep on blinking all the time. Sometime 19 volt short could cause, sometime bad SIO could cause, and here you can see that RTC failure is being caused of continuous rapid DC jack on off. Now in this HP 15, the pattern is the different, and this pattern is saying something that the IO, some of the requirement is not fulfilled. So what are those, and which you have to observe? There are the few things I have to show you. Where is the board view? This is the board view. Let's come on the IO U13. I have made this type of many case study in the Hindi medium, Hindi version, and I think first time I am making this case study in English, because it was on the demand. So many questions has been arisen on the YouTube that you make this types of case study. That is why I am making this case study for you. So there are the few things you have to check, like VCC must be available. This is not that I'm telling you that it must be available or something you are going to check with the multimeter. Each and every point must be checked with the help of DSO. Why? Because there are some problem with the glitch there are the no voltage is not stable, and there is a ripple. There might be lots of problem could cause this types of light blinking. Every different case has the different scenario. Here a very usual problem comes that some particular area get rusted, or it's liquid damage, and causing the same problem that the spark of light is coming and going out from the DC jack. So what you have to check, that the supply voltage must be stable, reset must be stable, also your lead switch must be stable. The three things you have to check in this type of problem. Some of the time in HP motherboard I have seen even the AC OK is not stable, could cause the same problem. Okay, AC OK is coming and going back, like IO is short from the one point, like AC OK point, and that could cause the same problem. That is why you just don't have to remember that all the scenario you will find the same solution. Never. You have to follow the pattern first of all, and rather that you go and follow all the process, like checking all the supply, it must be stable, all the required signal which is essential to turn on to trigger the SIO is required. You have to follow those things. Okay, now let me check VCC first. 9 number pin, any pin you have to find. Okay, 9 number pin of SIO. Let me zoom the camera. Okay, nine number. I would rather prefer to check it with the DSO. Okay, I'll show you why I am doing so. I will check with the both things. I have, let me prepare my multimeter too. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9. See, it is very stable. Also let me check it with the multimeter. Voltage 3.3 volt. Okay, 9 number, multimeter and DSO both. Okay, it is very stable. Now we have to check the reset pin. Reset is nothing, a required pull up voltage from the LDO, and it must be stable. There should not be any glitch. 37 number pin, 32 this side, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. See, now the same thing I'm going to check with the multimeter. So you cannot judge whether you have problem on the EC reset or not with the help of bare multimeter. Multimeter could lead you to the problem because it's showing 3 volt stable. Okay, there is no problem at all. Average voltage it is showing you, and with the help of DSO it is telling you the problem. It's called glitch. Okay, this is called glitch. It must be a straight line, then it could call it's absolutely all right. Okay, here it has the problem. So what is the source of the problem? There are the two way I will tell you to solve these types of problem. One, you just cut off this area and just pull up from anywhere to the 37 number pin, the board will be okay. Or you just go to find out the root cause of the problem. So how can we do that? You just copy this area and paste it, this is the area. This is the area where we have to find the problem. 3-volt PCU across R210. It is around 47 kilo ohm, and it is going to the pin number 37. Okay, it is going to the pin number 37. And apart from that, it is also going with the help of 0 ohm resistor to the thermal area. Okay, so this thermal area is having any problem. If we just remove this resistor, the motherboard will be okay. But if you want to find the problem, it's up to you. We will try the both end. Let's find out R876. R876. Yes, here the first one. 1 2 3. This one, let me put off this one. Since that is the mirror view, that is why it looks like that. On the opposite side I am going to remove. I'm just going to cut off the area which is going ahead towards the thermal area. Okay, so now the reset has no hamper, and it must work okay now. Now let me turn on. You can see the DC jack light. Okay, the DC jack light. Okay, so if I turn on, let's see. Yes, it's turned on. So this is the one solution. Okay, so you can remove, you can cut off. I have just removed this resistor, and I cut out the thermal area from the motherboard, from the EC reset area. Okay, now if I want to find out that where the exactly problem is, that I have to copy this area. Maybe sometime this could show you some error, like you have the thermal shutdown, random shutdown problem, or something like that. Thermal hardware, where it is going to. Name change. Nowhere. You do one thing, keep here, thermal in, thermal out. This one, this has impact on this area. You just have to copy this one, paste. Oh, C416, C416. It is here. Anywhere else? This area. Degree. IO thermal protection area. If IO is choked by some limitation, then your IO will will not work. It will not trigger, especially when if it is connected with the EC reset. Okay, so what is the limitation? You just calculate the divider. This is the NTC, negative thermal coefficient resistor. As soon as the temperature will rise on, the R value, the resistor value will decrease, will start decreasing. In this way your voltage will keep on decreasing. The last limitation is 1.2 volt is considered as 75 degrees Celsius. You only have to check here. It must be here must be around more than 1.2 volt. So usually you will find around 2 volt and something like that, 2.5 volt. So you just calculate. This is nothing, a simple voltage divider, but it is considering as a temperature degree with the help of the voltage. Okay, so thermal monitor and thermal monitor 1, area C143, C62, C62 here. Okay, this area. So this area could be reason of all the problem. So let me check. See the damage area. That is why this is called glitch. So in many HP motherboard, this types of problem could happen in not only in HP but in many models. But I am not talking about the many models. Why? Because there is no indication of the light on the DC jack light. So in HP especially, you have good to catch to see the DC jack area, that what is the symptom, how it's behaving. As if the light is continuous, then you say that LDO is okay and reset is okay and I is about to trigger and ready to trigger, at least you can say. Now the thermal area has the problem. So let me examine it. Let me break it, remove it. Leakage, you have no idea about the leakage, that how it act in the motherboard. Okay, now let me put back this resistor so that we can find out the problem area is rectified, where it has gone. Come on. Now I have removed the bad capacitor, and I have still the problem is same. Okay, the light blinking. Now once again I have to check this area. PCU thermal monitor 1, not 1. This is the capacitor. What is the voltage? Voltage must be above 1.8 volt thermal monitor. So now let's check. 3 volt PCU. Okay, and here this is not good. This is, I am checking PR 100. PR100. PR100. This side I'm going to check. Now let me check like this. Okay, so this side here, this side I'm getting 3 volt, that's okay. And on this area I'm not getting the even limitation. Okay, I'm not getting the limitation. My limitation is 1.8 volt above. It must be above. And this one is what? 100 degrees Celsius, 100 ohm. Too much. One 100 kilo. It is around 74 kilo. I could use even 9. $104 kilo. No, it's okay now. Light stopped blinking. Here it's 3 volt, 3.3 volt. Here it must be more than 1.8. It is 3.3. Here 2.7, more than 1.2 volt. It's good. Now you can check. So I have given you the 2 solution of the same problem. Okay, so sometime EC reset has glitch usually in HP motherboard, and could cause DC jack light on off. Now it's turned on. I need to use RAM. I think RAM is not okay. Or maybe I have to check with the DSO USB, because I don't have a display connector. I hope that display has come, otherwise I will check further. Yes, display has come. It's reset. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you would like to take class from us, you can join